They flawlessly delivered our vision with a beautiful L-shaped kitchen.
ये किचन से मैं आज बहुत खुश हूँ.
The acrylic finish to our kitchen is absolutely stunning.
हमारा किचन भी मॉड्यूलर हो गया है.
इस मॉड्यूलर किचन की वजह से हमारे घर की रौनक तो और भी बढ़ गई.
Ever wondered how IVAS Modular Kitchens achieve superior quality and seamless finish? Step inside our ISO certified, state-of-the-art European standard manufacturing facility, spanning 50,000 square feet, where our dedicated team works tirelessly to deliver excellence. We begin with board preparation. Here, the core material is pasted to laminate, acrylic or veneer using high pressure and hot press on both sides of the core material. Subsequently, we utilize our software to precisely calibrate the boards to match the product's dimensions. The sophisticated software orchestrates optimal cutting patterns, ensuring minimal material wastage. We protect freshly cut panel edges using materials like ABS, PVC, acrylic, veneer, using PUR glue for a durable, long-lasting finish. This gives your kitchen not only a seamless finish, but also prevents moisture absorption and stops termite damage. Following this, our skilled craftsmen utilize CNC machinery to execute drilling and routing. This involves creating holes and grooves for back panels, specialized machining tasks and shaping panels, ensuring a sturdy and seamless assembly for hardware and add-ons in modular furniture. As per our customer preferences, we craft aluminum profile shutters and profile handles, elevating the aesthetic appeal with a touch of modern elegance. In addition to our array of finishes, we offer PU painted kitchens as well. Our durable PU paints ensure easy application and provide exceptional resistance to heat, chemicals and water, guaranteeing long-lasting beauty for your space. As the final step, we carefully pack each modular kitchen with fillers and shock absorbers to prevent damage during transit. Each package is assigned a unique QR code, enabling precise tracking throughout the supply chain. Using our software, we track the whole process, from design to execution. This results in high-quality products being delivered punctually, with transparent updates for the end customer.
Being a homemaker, I'm also very house proud, especially very proud of this kitchen that's really vibrant. I love the fact that everything is very easy to access. It's really well planned in a way that it suits the way I function in a kitchen. IVAS, घर धड़कने दो.